How to log in into eTax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this video I will teach you guys how you can log in into your eTax account. So let's begin. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now on the search bar type eTax login and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different links and website on your screen. From those different options, scroll down and click on eTax account option. After that, you will be directed to this page. Click on eTax and now scroll down until you see this green button that says Open Login eTax account now. Click on it and wait for a while until you will be directed to this page. Once you are here on this page, now scroll down and here you will see the red button Login. Click on it. Wait for some second and now you can finally enter your TIN number, that means taxpayer identification number, and password in order to log in into your account. Once you have entered all your information, you can tap on login option in order to log in into your account. But in case you have forgotten your password or your TIN number, you can tap on forget TIN/password option. So that's all. This is how basically you can log in into eTax account. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.